Worksheet 5, Types of Chemical Reactions. So here, questions 1 to 5 refer to the following equations. Here you have equations. And here the questions. Now question 1, a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a reaction between acids and bases to form salt and water. So you have to find in the equations for acid, which is contains hydrogen and hydroxide and products of salt and water. So here in D, here you have an acid, nitric acid, and here base, lithium hydroxide, and the products are salt and water. So this is an example of a neutralization reaction. So the correct answer is D. Now here, an combustion reaction. The general formula for combustion reaction. Here, the reactants are hydrocarbon compound, which contains carbon and hydrogen plus oxygen, and the products are CO2 and H2O. So combustion here you have a hydrocarbon compound, contains carbon and hydrogen with oxygen, and the products are CO2 and water. So the correct answer is E. Now a precipitation reaction. So for precipitation reaction, it's a type of double displacement reaction. And the general formula of double displacement reactions, here the reactants are two compounds and the products are two compounds. And in a precipitation reactions, one of the product is solid. So you have to find in the equations two compounds in the reactants, two compounds in the product, and one of them is solid. So here B, here the reactants are two compounds and the products are two compounds and one of them solid. So the correct answer is B. Now a synthesis reaction. Synthesis reactions, the general formula of synthesis reactions, one product. So you have to find in the following equations which of these has one product. So here two products, here one product. So the correct answer is C. Now a decomposition reaction. Decomposition is the reverse of synthesis. So the general formula for decomposition reaction, one reactant. So reactant. So here you have to find which of these contains one reactant. So here one reactant. So the correct answer is A. So now question 6. In which type of reaction do two or more compounds react to form one product? So to form one product, it's an example of synthesis reaction. So the correct answer is A. Now question 7. Which of the following is true regarding single displacement reactions? Single displacement reactions. So here only one product is formed, only one reactant, it requires oxygen, one element replaces another in a compound. So in single displacement reactions, one element replaces similar element in a compound. So the correct answer is D. Now question 8. Which of the following is true regarding double displacement reactions? Two products are formed, the ion of two reactants must be exchanged, a precipitate may form. So what about here double displacement reactions? Here the reactants are two compounds and the products two compounds. So here two products are formed, yes. Here the ions of two compounds exchange in an aqueous solution to form a new compound. So here the ions of the two reactants must be exchanged, yes. A precipitate may form. So the types of double displacement reactions: neutralization, gas formation and precipitation reaction. So precipitate may be formed in a double displacement reaction. So C, correct. So the correct answers are A, B, C, all the above. D. Now question 9. A mixture of propane, C3H8, and oxygen react to form carbon dioxide and water. What type of chemical reactions? Here you have hydrocarbon compound, contains carbon and hydrogen, with oxygen reacting with oxygen, and the products fixed carbon dioxide and water. This is the general formula of combustion reaction. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen, the products are carbon dioxide and water. So this is an example of combustion reaction. So the correct answer is D. Now question 10. What type of chemical reaction does the following chemical equation represent? Here you have hydrochloric acid plus chromium produced hydrogen gas and chromium 2 chloride. So what is the type of this equation? Here in the equation, chromium replaces hydrogen in the equation. So instead of hydrogen chloride, here chromium chloride and here hydrogen. So it's a type of single displacement reactions. The reactants are element plus compound. So here single displacement reaction, general formula element plus compound. And here the element is a metal, so it will replace positive charge in the compound. So here, if metal, it will replace the positive charge in the compound. So it's a type of single displacement reaction. So the correct answer is B. Now, calcium carbonate reacts to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. What the type of this chemical reaction? So here calcium carbonate reacts to form, when you write chemical equation, to form or to produce represent by this arrow. So to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So here you have one reactant. So it's a general formula for decomposition reactions. Here, decomposition reactions, the general formula, one reactant. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. So the correct answer is D. Now question 12. What type of chemical reaction is represented by the following word equation? Here, iron plus oxygen produced iron 2 oxide. This is the general formula of synthesis reaction. Why? Because it contains one product. So If you have one product, so the type of the reaction is synthesis reaction. So here the correct answer is A.